Welcome to aminacademy.com. In matrices and determinants, let us discuss about minors and cofactors of a matrix. First, let us discuss about minors. Consider a square matrix A in general form, like the elements are like A11, A12, A13, B11, B12, B13, C11, C12, C13. Now let us find the minors of each element. There are 9 elements are there, so there are 9 minors are there. For each element, one minor is there. So minor of the first element, that is A11, is nothing but here the A11 contains the first row and first column, means except that first row and first column, write the remaining matrix, that is B12, B12, B13, C12, C13 is the minor of A1. For next one, for minor of A12 is, means here we have to remove the row and column which contains A12, means we have to remove this and this. We have B11, B11, B13, C11, C13, and minor of A13 is you can say that 13 means remove the column and row which contains A13, that is B11, B12, B11, B12, C11, C12. Now similarly you can write for A21, means minor of A21, minor of B11 will do first. Minor of B11, A12, A13, A12, A13, and C1, C12, C13. For B12, A11, A13, A11, A13, C11, C13, C11, C13. For B13 is B13 is A11, A12, C11, A11, A12, C11, C12. For minor of C11 was A12, A13, A12, A13, B11, B12. For C12 is minor of C12, A11, A13, A11, A13, and B11, B13, B11, B13. For C13, that is the last element, is A11, A12, A11, A12, B11, B12, B11, B12. We got 9 minors. Now let us discuss about cofactors of a matrix. Next, cofactor. Here there are 9 cofactors are there. Here cofactor of A11. Here the position of A11 is first row, first column. So here is in generally you have to express -1 power. Here 1 and 1, that is first row, first column. So 1 plus 1. It decide the sign that cofactor you have to write is B12, B13, B12, B13, C12, C13, C12, C13. Here, which is -1 power 1 plus 1 is to even power of -1 is a positive, means the same cofactor, means minor you have to write 1, 2, B12, B13, C12, C13. Similarly, we can express, suppose cofactor of A12 is -1 of 1 plus 2, means A12 already minor we have, B11, B13, B11, B13, and C11, C13, C11, C13, which is here -1 power 1 plus 3 is 4, even power of minus is positive. Sorry, 1, 2 first. 1 plus 2 is 3, odd power of -1 is minus. B11, B13, C11, C13. Similarly, we can express all cofactors. That means 9 cofactors we can express, each changing the alternate sign. Start with positive and negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. It changes. We have done.